What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? I'm back. It's been a while. It's been a long time. I ain't even finna give y'all that little spill I always give y'all because I be lying. Let me just say I be lying. How y'all doing during this pandemic? I hope y'all are doing very well. This pandemic has been crazy, but it has helped me to pick up my brushes again because I wasn't picking them up. I hadn't picked them up in a long time. And this is how you guys got this video. I don't know when you're going to get another one. If I'm being honest, I don't know. But I did enjoy doing this green look for you guys. I got my little green shirt on, my little name. It's my old work shirt, y'all. But yeah, this is an affordable look. I think the most expensive product that I used was the eyeshadow palette, which is from Morphe, but I actually got that on sale for $20. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick that I use to contour. But everything else is straight drugstore or very affordable priced products. So if you guys are interested in this here, keep on watching. natural hair and all. Would y'all believe that this little twist out here is from like 2 to 3 week old twist that I did because I was being lazy, and since I didn't have to go to work, I was like, you know what? We're not combing no hair. So what I did was I twisted it up and I left it like that, and I finally took it out, and this is what I got. So yeah, guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did go ahead and put on some Salon Perfect 614 lashes, so I did add those on, and that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay safe. Make sure you wash your hands, practice social distancing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.